Hey, welcome back. We're gonna just a quick little share, just something I made and getting ready to ship out. Thought you guys would like to check it out. All right, this is what we got going on. Kirk out at Secret Creek Prospecting in Washington sent me these 3 points and told me to keep 2 of them, and he just wanted this 1 point back, and if I could put it on an arrow for him. What I came up with is we made a nice dart. I don't know, it's about 5.5, but hollowed out the end, and then we wrapped it, and that's in it's artificial sinew, and then pine tarred it, and then we did the same thing with sinew, and these are turkey tail feathers. So, and then we got we concave that out too, and made ourselves a nice little dart. And we made ourselves a nice atlatl to throw it. So how cool is that? And then here's the dart, and we artificial sinewed that on, and then pine pitched it, and they're extremely durable. And both of them, like I said, these are like super thick heads. Really primitive, so we did it all primitive, but let me show you what I got going on with the dart ends. And the dart ends, like I said, this is, I don't know, about 5.5 feet or so. And the longer the dart for an atlatl, the more accurate it is. A little deeper penetration, just because it's got a little more weight. But the smaller you get, you can throw them a lot farther, easier to carry. But not as accurate, and you don't get the penetration. I made this, it's all a tapered shaft, so to help with penetration, including the dart tips, that's all tapered. But like I said, we wrapped that in sinew and then pine tarred it just to reinforce that tip, and that's just a nice snug fit. And be used as a spear, or you can throw it with the atlatl. It's got really nice balance. Came out really nice, but really happy with it. Came out pretty cool. What they used to do when they used to use atlatls is they would only make like 2 or 3 of the darts, because there's a lot of work involved in this, straightening your limb, getting everything whittled down, reinforced, feathered. There's time spent on this. Also, there's time spent with them napping the heads and attaching these. But a lot of times you only got one shot with them. If it comes down on a rock or something, the tip's gone. And same thing if you hit something, it's actually made to come back apart. It'll leave the tip, and you can reuse your shaft. And they would carry, like I said, 2 or 3 or so of the dart itself, and then a little pouch of the dart tips, and it's interchangeable, just way more convenient for them. Like could be traveling long distances on their hunts. Also, this atlatl, we attached an antler for a point to throw it, and also this is a nice throwing stick for hunting. They would actually throw these a throwing stick, and it's what that is just a heavier piece of wood on one end, and it creates it spinning. And for like birds, especially birds, all different kinds, all I gotta do is break a wing, and that's dinner. So small game, they'd be throwing sticks, and they'd do a throwing stick. This is a nice solid end on one side, and it really sails. So very versatile. Nice hunting setup for you there, Kurt. Hope you enjoy it. Until the next adventure, we'll see you guys around. bye.